In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion AI to work faster. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in, select the content you want help with, ask Notion's AI the right question, and confidently keep the results on your page. Start by opening your browser and heading to Notion.com. This takes you to Notion's homepage, where you can quickly access your workspace. On the sign-in screen, choose the option to continue with Google. This is the fastest way to get in without extra steps. When prompted, select your Google account to complete the sign-in. In a moment, you'll land in your workspace. Once you're in, navigate to the page you want to work with. This could be a project brief, a document draft, meeting notes, or any page that contains text you'd like to improve or speed up. Click to open that page so the content is front and center. Now, find the description or section you want help with and highlight it. Drag your cursor across the sentence, paragraph, or block that needs polishing. Highlighting is important because it tells Notion AI exactly what to use as context. You can highlight a single line if you need a quick rewrite, or select a longer section if you're looking for a summary or a clearer structure. With the text selected, click Ask AI. This opens Notion's AI assistant right where you're working. You'll see a prompt box where you can describe what you want. Be specific and direct. For example, you might type, "Rewrite this for clarity in a friendly, professional tone. Make this more concise while keeping the key points." Or, "Turn this description into a short overview suitable for a status update." The clearer your instruction, the better the result. If you highlighted text, the AI will use that selection. If not, it will reference the surrounding content on the page. After a moment, Notion AI will generate a result. Read it carefully. Check that it captures your intent, the right facts, and the tone you want. If it's close but not perfect, you can adjust your prompt and try again. When you're happy with what you see, click Accept to apply the suggestion to your page. Finally, click Keep to confirm you want to retain the AI's changes. This locks in the new text so it becomes part of your document. That's it. Repeat the same flow for other sections and you'll find yourself drafting, refining, and finalizing content much faster with Notion AI.